Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. My name is Janae if you are new, and if you're one of my lovely subscribers, hey girl, hey. So today your girl is coming to you guys with another affordable sleigh. This unit is again from the Sensational line, Curls and Kinks. I was in love with that halfway wig, so I had to try out the ponytail. And besides, it was only $13 on Amazon, so you can't beat that. So if you want to see how I achieve this beautiful look, honey, as always, go grab a snack, take a seat, and we're gonna get into this sleigh. So y'all, this is how it turned out. I'm absolutely obsessed. I love this freaking unit. Y'all already know how I feel about the Curls and Kinks line. I love how Sensational dedicated a line for natural hair. And yes, like this ponytail was $13. Like, let's start there. It's $13. Like, you cannot beat the price. Come on now. And some of the colors that they have on Amazon is on Prime. So let's say if you need something very quick, some of the colors do come in the Prime option, and you may even find the unit at your local beauty supply. So if you are new to like weaves and wigs, and this is the unit for you. You don't have to worry about no lace. You don't have to worry about any braid down. Simple, simple, simple. Girl, it's hot. Like, this is perfect. We don't want all their hair on us. It's too hot outside. So this is perfect for the summer. And yes, like, I'm in love with the Curls and Kinks line. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about it down below. And if y'all want me to review some more units from the line or any other, brand as well. As always, I thank you guys so much for tuning into the channel. Make sure you tell someone that you care about, that you love them. Until next time, bye.